This video is gonna be about sharing some snack, some pizza with some food with some homeless people. I know they probably don't need that, but it's only like a snack, you know. There's a pizza, you know. I'm gonna share with them. I know they're somewhere in the area, and I'm gonna go and offer them some pizza, only because it feels good to share. Okay, so enjoy it, share it, give it likes, leave your comments, leave your reactions in the comment on the comment area, and let me know if you like my videos. Also click up here for more videos. Click on the top right corner, or up here. I think it is up here. Yeah, for more videos on the beginning of this video and at the end. Okay, all right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you it. Okay, like I was saying, I'm gonna share some food with homeless, only as a snack, only because it feels good to share. Okay, voy a compartir un poco de pizza con algunos indigentes, nada más porque se siente bien compartir. No se olviden de suscribirse, denle like a mis videos y compártalo. Muchas gracias, muy amable. Don't forget to share my videos and enjoy, share them, leave your comments, dejen sus comentarios si les gustan mis videos, y no se olviden de aquí de hacerle un clic, de presionar allí a clic para que vean mis demás videos. Okay, muchas gracias. All right, don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes. Click on the top corner on the right, on the beginning and at the end of the video, al inicio y al final y al final de mi video, para que vean más mis demás videos. Okay, muchas gracias. Okay, enjoy the video. Okay, all right, thank you. All right, thank you. Have a nice day. All right, this is the pizza. There's more pizza down there. All right. Okay, here I am now. Here we go now. We're gonna try to share some pizza. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share it, give it likes. And this is what I'm showing you. Okay. All right. This is what I got right here. Where is it? I don't know. I just had them on my hand. Bunch of napkins in my hand. I'll drop them. Oh, here they are. I'll drop them. How you doing? It's freezing today. It's cold. How are you? Good. Oh, okay. Could you grab a napkin?
Are you here with people still?
No, I'm by myself.
Oh.
Yeah. Grab a napkin. Grab a napkin. Yeah. Do you want to have pizza?
No, thank you.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Grab yourself a napkin too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where can I find more people? Homeless people or like walking around. Somebody told me to be here around 1:30 because they come over.
They have a group what's called People's Guilt here.
Oh, okay.
At this pavilion right here, they'll be, but it doesn't start until about 2 to 4.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah.
30
Oh.
4.
Yeah, because me and you
Yeah.
volunteer for that group.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay.
And more people aren't coming in. Aren't coming in yet.
They don't
Coming to later.
come
coming
until later.
later.
They come in later.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, because somebody told me to be here by 1, and
Yeah.
everybody, and I don't want it to get cold, you know.
Yeah.
I was expecting to find a lot of people here. Yeah.
They will be
Yeah.
coming in.
Yeah.
Shortly, yeah.
Would they be somewhere over there or?
No, we're all the way over here.
Over here, only right here. Oh, only right here. Yeah, yeah,
Yep.
yeah. Yeah.
Because
Oh,
last
okay.
time we moved over to the boat side.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh,
Because they
Jesus.
had that cherry blossom.
The
Really?
cherry blossom
Yeah, the
gets
cherry
them-
blossom, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
By
wow.
mistake.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, God.
When they're in this pavilion now, they usually go up to the
Yeah.
very first one up there.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Well, some people
Right.
go
Yeah.
up by that way
Yeah.
first, and
Yeah.
then they come over
No,
here.
over here, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, I'm gonna take a walk over there, see if I'll find somebody over there. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You want another
No,
piece?
thank
Yeah.
you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
You?
okay, one
Go ahead.
more.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
I don't know if I try to take it. Oh, there we go.
What's
Yeah,
your
it's okay.
son's name?
Javier.
Javier,
my
Yeah.
name is
thank you.
David.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah,
Oh,
thank you.
I got my napkin
Yeah.
still.
Oh,
This
okay.
is Michael.
Oh, okay. Nice meeting you.
meet you.
All right. I'll see you guys later. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right, bye. Oh God, Lord. I don't want it to get cold. I don't want this to get cold. Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Mommy. Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? Pizza. Yeah? Okay, here, baby. Here. Grab your napkin, okay? Only one napkin. You got it? Okay, open it. Grab your pizza. Yeah? If you wanna get it for her? Yeah.
Need help?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
It's okay.
Oh, they're stuck. Sorry.
No,
I
you're
didn't
fine.
wanna
You're
touch
fine.
anything.
Take both of them.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This you get one too, right? All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Yeah. Well, I end up giving pizza to to other people also as well. I was thinking it would last me a little longer, but it's just perfectly fine. It's fine. It's okay. Look at there's another homeless person coming over there, or two more coming over there. Yeah. I got a napkin over here. Excuse me! Yo! Come here! Come here! Here, sir. Have a pizza. Open it. Open it. Yeah. Go ahead. You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Here, sir. Have a napkin? Yeah, thank you. Here you go.
That's good, thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a nice day. All right. So it feels good to share It feels good to offer a little something to somebody. And then some other I throw the container, empty container right here, and I'm gonna go for the next one, for the next people, the next pizza right here. All right, nobody there. No, nobody there. So I was going to give there's not many homeless people right here right now, because I came in too early. But they say they'll be here by 2 o'clock, and it's a little cold over here. So I just gonna go share it with other people that might be around here in the park, and then I just leave and I just go away. And I'll come back maybe some other day to offer more. Hopefully I find more homeless people in the area. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and you share, give it likes if you like this video. Leave your reactions, and here we are. How you doing? Have a pizza here. Have a napkin. Have a napkin.
Pizza?
Yeah. Go ahead. Open it. Go ahead. Have a piece. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Have a nice day. Be careful. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, sir.
Wow.
How you doing? Have a pizza.
Oh, no, thank you.
Are you sure?
I just had lunch, yep.
Right
Thank
here?
you
Look.
anyway.
Yeah.
No, that's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Okay.
give it.
All right. I think. Do you mind? Do you mind? Yeah. Go ahead, buddy.
Wait.
Yeah.
Que tiene bronchitis.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right. You can get another one. How many are you?
It's only us two.
Oh, okay. All right. Go ahead.
Look, Nino, a pizza, okay?
Get two. Get two for you.
No, it's okay, one. Mira, Nino. You gotta
And
say
take yours.
thank you.
And take yours.
Thank you.
Here. Here, hold it. It's pizza.
Oh.
Okay? Okay, thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Wow, thank you.
Hi, how are you?
How are you doing?
You have a pizza. Have a napkin. Oh, sorry. Have a napkin. Is 4 of you? Is it for you?
Yeah.
4 of you? Okay. All right. Have 4 of them.
You sure?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Layla and JJ.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, JJ, you want to go on the
Pizza.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Here, sir, for the kids.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Right, take care. You're welcome. All right, so we were going to look for homeless, but we didn't find any, so we end up just sharing pizza over here with people around here, which was okay because I got to get rid of them. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes, and see you some other time. All right. I get to have my last one. Yeah. So I was able to find the volunteers, homeless volunteers. There were 2, 4, 5, 6 people who I did share pizza with. And it's good. I'll come back some other day and share more. I'm gonna go right now and don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes. Make sure you if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Click up here for more videos. If you have any questions, let me know about my videos. And I got the last piece of pizza for myself. I'll probably end up buying pizza later on for me and my daughter. Okay. All right. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye. Como vieron, la pizza se acabó y todos, hubieron algunos indigentes ahí con los que con los que compartí un poco de pizza, porque se siente bien compartir. Y otras personas ahí estaban en el parque, pues entonces se les invitó también. También compartí con las otras personas que estaban ahí, como niños con sus papás, sus mamás y sus papás, sus mamás y sus papás, y algunos indigentes. Lo más que vi fueron 6, pero creo que llegué muy temprano, porque ahorita como paso por las calles, yo veo que se están dirigiendo hacia ese lugar, porque todavía estoy en esta área. Pero ok, no se olviden de suscríbanse, denle like a mis videos. Cliquen en el likes en la suscripción, y muchas gracias. Muy amable. Estoy tratando de manejar cuando hablando. Ok. Hasta luego. Bye bye.